I have to leave to this moment. We both just came in together. There is nothing more important than
Tell what your deal is. But from the window, it was dark.
Yeah.
I was just at the stage.
You can't tell what it is. It's too dark. It's almost like the screen's bad. Usually that's not the case.
Which way do you want to go?
I don't care. Usually for this one or this one, so.
Right.
That was
Mm-hmm.
that was the best. Here, take a
Yeah.
picture up here. Because we didn't get any other than by the front of the boardwalk last time.
Yeah.
Because you could show them.
Right. You don't have to cook it either.
No. Yeah, I mean, one day when we stayed, when we were here,
We're up here. Yeah.
but I just can't see Panda.
No. I mean, I would like to if we had it, but
At that point, I would,
sometimes it's loud
I would
too.
rather have a one-bedroom.
Yeah. You know, because with the boats and
I'd rather have a one-bedroom other than
yeah,
in my opinion.
yeah.
I just don't understand why they only have the kings and one bedroom.
Yeah, that's weird. That would be every review
No, Riviera
you should do.
and the tower. They made those rooms for two people. That was their plan to do that.
Yeah.
I get getting it would be hard, but why won't those should all be kings?
Yeah. Every review you should do about should be about that.
Yeah. Because to me, if that only sleeps two, why would you never make it a king?
Yeah.
But I would like to know what percentage of in rooms are kings.
Yeah.
You have to know they have enough of the adults now.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And why do you just want one bedroom to do that?
Fun planners.
Well, I think my 8 sneezes are done.
Good.
Or 10, whatever it was.
Yeah.
It's so weird. See, I need almost like different colors of these type of tops to wear over
Yeah.
here. So it's not like, oh, it's just all white.
Right.
And I'm not that I'm opposed to white, but so then it's
Yeah.
like. But and like Gina, like fine, getting those. But she's such a everybody who can't afford it. You can't afford it.
Right.
And the thing is, like I said, with her, it's like saying for us here, this is hateful
Yeah.
for the in our room.
Right.
So that's something. That's what we should get.
Right.
Yeah. Fireworks over the water.
Yep.
Salty life.
Mm-hmm.
Over the water.
Yep.
So there's a kid like 12 with his own scooter.
Yeah, right.
He told me to turn it off because I think he was afraid she was going to roll forward.
Yeah.
There's speed racer.
Me?
Yeah. I'm like,
Wow.
stops behind you.
What's down there?
I think it's just a path to the
More
hotel.
beach club.
Maybe. Probably it's from Or Yacht Club.
Yacht club. Why don't we owners at the yacht club?
Huh?
Why don't we stay at the yacht club?
Jokes about it.
Yeah, right.
I never understood that with girls. Two girls. Usually were that's where she picked.
Yeah.
I get maybe the beach club if you thought about the pool.
Mm-hmm.
I don't care what we say. Yeah. Wait, what did your server say about Bailey? As you can see the flying fish sign. Go a little further, you get the dance hall too. And then the boardwalk sign.
Fishing.
Wow.
Yeah. Should we run a boat tomorrow and you drive it? And I be the princess in the boat?
You could be a princess. You don't want to be in the front there. You would not like it. Even if I could drive, I don't think you would like it.
Why?
Getting high from some of the boats are hard. Although
Yes,
will
I get
say
it.
that the cushion was, for that purposes, worth every penny.
Yeah.
Yes, it gives us more seating room, but just for the launching point, it made a huge difference.
Yeah.
It absorbs some of the shock.
Yeah.
So we're not hitting hard as hard.
Yeah.
It is way better just for that purpose.
Yeah.
And I didn't expect that.
Yeah.
I can imagine if it was opposite. She showed me these, and then I'd
Yeah, you got it. The other one's
whoever
got it.
she's talking to, she can't afford it.
Yeah, right. Poser.
Yeah. They are just. I don't know. She makes it sound like it's him too. Because, like she said last time about that pizza pixie. Oh, yes, thank you. I've been saying that. No, I've been saying that.
Yeah, right.
Mary, I think.
I would think you would know that people are not telling you the truth.
Right.
Because they don't want you to know the truth.
They don't want you to know. Right.
That's, I would think, I mean, what do we know? But I would think that's part of it, is you
Yeah.
don't want to be known.
Mm. Yeah.
I would think.
Right.
Especially, you know, he has no business, any of that stuff. You would think that's a part of it. I think that would be part of it.
Yeah. How many workers did it take to place a board?
We still got a long way to go. Is that sand?
I wonder if it is.
It says something, but I can't read.
Standard
Now where's the sand? Let's see, we went don't tell.
sand. Yeah, sand
They're
and
gonna
salt.
re-sand it.
Yeah.
This is not supposed to be done until sometime in June, and I thought that Disney Boardwalk or something said it was going to be a week or two at least longer.
Yeah.
This is too big of a pool to
Yeah.
on here.
Right.
It can't withstand it.
Mhm.
Because that's a big pool.
Yeah.
Out of focus. But look like that.
These are no.
But you can't see through them.
No. At the base, we can't.
There's a dead pool.
Yeah.
That's very Disneyland.
Yeah.
I still maintain I'm shocked that Gina told me that she did that.
Yeah.
She thought I was like kicking herself when she said about the one because I said, oh, did you get citizens jeans or short?
Yeah, right.
You know, and she didn't, the way she answered kind of evaded it as well.
Yeah.
And I don't care, but don't act like you're fucking Kardashian
You're right.
and bringing money in.
Yeah.
And I mean, he's
So they do their movies here.
Yeah, on the beach. Right.
You know,
Stop.
all this shit. You see that?
Hmm?
You could see the dance hall
Oh, through it. Yeah. Yeah, in the boat.
That's over here. That's curved.
Yeah. Do you want to walk in here?
So we have an umbrella here, but yet all the buildings down.
Yeah, right.
I don't know, I'm glad we moved all the time because I am not happy, I think.
Yeah.
That room just looked not good.
Is there the quiet pool is open though, right?
Yeah.
It's gotta
I
be.
think they have one in here.
That's gotta be bonkers there.
Oh, I'm sure.
It is. No bones.
No, but it was weird when we were sitting down there. There
I
were
know.
a couple few
Yeah.
little natty
Yep.
things. I was like, what the hell? I was like, this is the no fun thing.
Yep.
So, then I'll just like this and then we got
Yeah.
although technically it is, but it isn't.
You're right.
We should maybe do the movie reviews or else we can't keep
Yeah,
up
that's a
with that.
joke. Right.
Someone's coming here with the grandkids.
Yeah, right. Treat everyone to a Disney.
be sound asleep.
Ken
Sure to
wouldn't
wake
tell
him
me.
up.
No.
I think it's BS that it is the kids either want to sleep or they don't sleep in the same room.
Yeah. Right.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then the noise in the grandkids is an easy excuse.
That's a bullshit excuse. Yep.
I don't know why she told your mom that.
I don't either.
That's the thing I find perplexing.
Yeah.
Is nobody had to know about that.
No.
They could have stayed in the McClary
Yep.
circle across.
Yep.
You know,
I don't understand.
That's the thing I don't understand.
Mhm.
Is why did that even
Why they get
come
out?
out?
Yep. Yeah, I don't get it.
And I mean, I get it. Sarah's house is not that big.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's like
Yeah, for that many people.
15 or 17 square feet. But why would you just not say anything?
Yeah, right.
And the whole thing that flew with Kathy.
That was weird too.
Why did you tell your mom that either?
Yeah,
Like, why did you even know that?
yeah, that was weird.
And what the hell is matter?
Mm-hmm.
You know your wife drives medical slaves with 3 children?
Yep.
So you can fly with your mother?
Mm-hmm.
Like, what?
Yeah, right.
Make her drive with you then.
Yeah.
If she doesn't want to go by herself.
Yep. I think the water is this calm.
Because this is a man-made. It
Not
is
the
in our
ocean.
backyard.
Well,
Well, that's more comparable than
yeah.
it was by midnight mass.
Yeah, that was weird. But the current was
You know,
bad.
sadly, though, that's just what makes it
Do that more and more. But until we get that down a few times on when nobody's there, we're not doing it on the weekends. I can't do it.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
But I still think, you know, like for both of us, like we need to practice more like backwards.
Yeah.
Because all those things aren't going to get easier that we want to do
Mhm.
if we don't do it.
Yeah. So what are you going to do now? Bellevue?
I don't want any more drinks. I just think that I won't be able to finish it. If you want something, I don't care, but I just think I won't.
Let's just see if we can get a seat.
See, if this doesn't show them, they need something else.
Yeah.
I don't know what does.
Right. There's a lot of people here.
And it's been getting more and more, I feel like. It's empty.
I don't know. Waiting for Christmas. Hang on.
they need in here, dragon's water, and then this should be open water.
Yep.